Welcome to
Fun for Kids!
Like, share, subscribe.
Let's have fun! Good morning, sun, good morning, day. Milo wakes up, hip, hip, hooray. Brush his teeth, shiny and bright. Clean little smile, feeling just right. Milo makes bed, neat and tight. Room looks happy, clean and bright. Flies go back after play. Good job, Milo, Mama say note. Please and thank you, Milo says. Kind little words in many ways. Sharing toys and helping too. Milo knows what's right to do. Fruits and milk, strong and tall. Junk food, Milo says not at all. Wash hands before he eats. Clean hands make healthy treats. Good habits, every single